Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss how to install our workbench and command line client. Okay, and while we are working with the MySQL, we require to connect with the server. Okay, for this MySQL provide there are two options. One is command line client. Okay, one is command line client, and then another one is workbench. These are the two things it will provide. Okay, command line client by default, whenever you install, automatically command line client will be installed. Okay, how it will be there? You see command, so you can see here there is a command line client. If you click this one, it will open and it will ask you for password. Okay, which password you have provided, that password you have provided. Once you provide, automatically it will open for this entire. Okay, and then you need to use for the commands to see. Okay, if you use for help, okay, help semicolon, and then automatically it will provide what are the commands are presented in this particular MySQL commands. Okay, the print it is there, help is there, go is there, exit is there, delimiter and connector and clear. There are so many things it is presented for everyone, and you can able to see what is the shortcut of this and what are the text actually what exactly that particular function can do, that all the information they are providing. Okay, if you want to see for how many databases are presented in this particular MySQL, which is we created already. Okay, means automatically when we install automatic default there are some tables and databases will be presented. If you want to see that how many databases default it is presented, there is a command called show, show, show databases and semicolon. Then once you hit this one and it will give you for the list of databases presented inside a particular created one. Okay. And then if you want to connect with any of database, then you can able to use for use method. Okay. Use is the method to connect with this. Okay, if you see here, there is a method called use. Use another database. Take the database name as a arc. Okay, use is a method, and then you can able to use for any method. Okay, I'm using for MySQL. MySQL is a database I'm using for that, and you can see it is showing for like a database is changed. Then if you want to see the how many tables are presented inside MySQL, okay, show databases and semicolon. Okay, once you use a semicolon, it will give you for entire information. Okay, now you can see list of things. If you want to connect with any one of the databases like use, users, user, and semicolon, and then see unknown database user, it is not able to connect with that particular one. Okay, issue. We'll see for that as well how we can able to use that as well. Okay, the coming sessions. And this is the command line client is working purpose. Okay, and if you want to work with the workbench is basically GUI format. Okay, GUI means visualization, it will be presented. Okay, graphical user interface we can see. Okay, we can able to see like now how we are able to connecting with, see now notepad we are able to see, right? Now here we can click and here we can click and files we can click like that. The similar format that also like a visualization of that. Okay, for this we, when we are installing we are not able to see workbench, right? Now we need to install the workbench. How do? You need to go for again MySQL, download us and click the community, and there is a MySQL workbench. Okay, you need to click this one and it will come back to here, and you need to click here and you can use for no thanks, just start my download, or you can sign in or sign up, anything you can do. Okay, after that Now once it is done, you can double click on that particular exe. It will give you for this particular window, and click on next. Once you click on next, it will show you the workbench where you are going to store it, and click on next. Then it will come into the this particular window, and here you can choose for complete and click on next. Once you click the next, automatically it will show you the workbench installer setup. Okay, you need to click on install to install your widget. Once it is done, automatically it will come into the starting installation. Once it is coming to the final stage, it is a finishing. Okay, once it is finished, there is a checkbox is launch MySQL Workbench now. Okay, if you go check and you can finish, then automatically it will launch for this workbench. This is the first UI which whenever you logged in. Okay, whenever you logged in, automatically it will show you that is username is a root. Then there is a local host. It will be a percent. Okay, that we can able to see step. Okay, and how we can able to use to connecting that. Okay, now you can go for here and search for workbench. Automatically will launch it here. Okay, and you can see already I have created. Okay, click on that and it will ask you for password. You can provide and click on OK. Now you can see this is the database it is presented from. You can able to do whatever you want. Okay, you don't want to do this one and you want to connect another one. You can click on the plus symbol. Okay, once you click on the plus symbol, automatically navigate into this location. Okay, you can provide for any name for your connection. Okay, any name you can able to provide, but username by default as a root. Okay, and you can provide for strong password and you can able to keep it. And once it is done, and automatically provide the click on connection. If it is established the connection, you are done. Otherwise, you have some problem for installation or something it is not able to give the SLCR or something advanced. Some of the things you may be face the issue. Once the connection is okay, then click on OK. Please don't click on it. Okay. Once it is done, you can able to see your database name. Okay. Then you can able to click and connect using the password and then reuse it. Okay. This is all about for this particular one. Next video and we can able to okay, we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.